5 approaches to proving your leadership capability at work. You know you can lead. Heck, you were always the leader in group projects at work and even know you're a captain of your adult softball team. You're a natural-born leader. However, at work, you struggle to find that same edge and confidence that you have in your personal endeavors. Keep reading to learn 5 ways you can approach leadership at work. 1. Plan your meetings. Meetings are usually horrendous events in general. However, a meeting that isn't well planned or planned at all is even worse. If you're overseeing a meeting at work, take the time to make an agenda. Put thought into what needs to be covered and in what order. Email the agenda to all attendees ahead of time so everyone knows what the expectations are and can come prepared. 2. Communicate better. Make sure that you're communicating effectively with coworkers and supervisors. You can even ask, is there a way I can better communicate with you or the team? Effective communication is different for everyone, and taking the time to learn how others communicate will not only make you better at it, but others will appreciate your effort. 3. Eliminate interruptions. Interruptions come in many shapes and sizes. If you have a constant disruption that's negatively affecting your work, consider if something can be eliminated or if there's a way to make it less distracting. 4. Know your weaknesses. Everyone knows their strengths. Knowing your weaknesses, though, can be an uncomfortable road to self-improvement. Learning your weaknesses will allow you to work towards improvement, but also foresee where you need help from others. There's no shame in asking for help. 5. Finish what you start. You're halfway through a project and it, stinks. Do whatever you need to do. Ask for help. Take a short break or call in reinforcements. No matter what, though, you need to finish that project. Completing the project will show that you have dedication and aren't willing to let a little mess keep you from seeing it through. Showing leadership qualities at work can be daunting for anyone. However, starting with these basic approaches, you can begin to build a resume of leadership skills that will allow others to have faith in your ability and follow you through to the end of even the most daunting of projects.